this is the Jacuzzi Room.
Hello everybody, welcome. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded any video, but I wanted the channel and the video to go in the right direction and a meaningful direction. I myself was searching on what should I do next, and here now I've got the answer. This is one of the luxury properties we have visited and I really loved it. This is in Chikkamagalur and the name is Siri Nature Roost. You can visit something along the same lines in my channel henceforth. You want any luxury visits covered? I am here for you to cover and review it.
This is the entrance to a jacuzzi room. As soon as we get in, there is a wash basin, pantry, and a beautiful sitting area here for the pantry. And right towards your left, we have this beautiful TV area and a sitting area. There is a step down here. As soon as we cross this, there is this bedroom area with storage space over there, mirrors over here, and then an AC and a desk. That's all. We got a beautiful view out. So if you were to sleep on the bed and look out, this is your balcony, and this is the view you get, which is awesome. And since this is classified as a jacuzzi room, that is a jacuzzi which is currently being filled right now. You know, even though our room was a private pool villa room, which I'll show you later in another video, the brick wall is giving an amazing view, and this is where you can enjoy your tea, but you also have the jacuzzi. Why would you sit on a table and chair when you can enjoy this beautiful scenery out here? Look at those trees. One thing I really am happy about Siri Nature Roost is that they have built every house in the middle of nature. So every unit or every villa, as you may call this, is right in between so much of greenery that you feel that you are the only person that is in this property. Anyway, follow me to get more experiences on Siri Nature Roost. This has been a great experience for us. This is the jacuzzi room. I'll also show you the private villa room. I'll also try to get, there is another unit which is a joint 2 BHK property where the pool is supposed to be a lot bigger. I'll try to get a peek into that. But till then, keep following, subscribe, love and like. And we've almost touched 2,500 subscribers, which is a big thing for me. Thank you all for subscribing. Keep subscribing, be a part of the family. And this is where I have started vlogging about luxury resorts. The Siri Roost luxury resorts were very kind enough to give us a peek into this room and let us use the jacuzzi for some time. So this is a room that is unoccupied, not our room, but unoccupied, and we are currently filling in jacuzzi to have a blast and enjoy it. And right as we come in, that you see is the bathroom area. Right in front of me is the mirror, the sink or the wash basin. Towards your left it's the shower area, and towards your right it's the water closet. Anyway, thank you for being with me, and this is the jacuzzi room. So now we have reached 2.5k. Help me reach 5k. Thank you all. Love you. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Even if you don't like the video, do comment and let me know you didn't like it. Thank you. Love you all.